Okay, now I will discuss workbook question, page 16, question 6. Okay, themes and PISA questions. Okay, so the length of a blue ribbon is 3x meter. The yellow ribbon is 5 meters longer than blue ribbon. The length of the red ribbon is the square of the length of the yellow ribbon. So from the question, you can write out all the information, which is the length of blue ribbon. Okay, you know 3x. Okay, blue 3x, and then yellow ribbon 5 meter longer than blue. That's mean blue 3x, yellow 5 meter longer than blue. That's mean 3x plus 5. Okay, and then the length of red ribbon, square of the length of the yellow ribbon. Okay, after you get the yellow, you square. And then the question want to calculate the total length of the 3 ribbon. Total length of the 3 ribbon. Okay, now, okay, do it step by step. Okay, do it step by step. Number 1. Okay, wait. Okay, step 1. Write the length of the yellow ribbon. Okay, yellow ribbon equal to, okay, just now 5 meter longer than blue ribbon. Blue ribbon 3x. So 3x plus 5. This one yellow ribbon. And then red ribbon. Okay, red ribbon is square of the length of the yellow ribbon. So red ribbon, red square of the yellow ribbon. That means 3x plus 5 square. Okay, then the question want to find the total length of the 3 ribbon. That means blue total length, blue ribbon plus yellow ribbon plus red ribbon. So blue ribbon 3x. Okay, 3x plus yellow ribbon 3x plus 5. Red ribbon 3x plus 5 square. Okay, that one. Okay, so here you not yet finished. You have to simplify this one. This one square you must expand. Okay, so this one you can add first. 3x plus 3x, you get 6x plus 5, and then expand this one. 3x plus 5. Okay, means the square means time 3x plus 5. Okay, you must expand this. Okay, expand this one. So copy down 6x plus 5 plus, okay, you expand this one. 3x times 3x, you get 9x square. 3x plus 5, you get 15x. Okay, then expand this one. 5 times 3x, 15x. 5 times 5, 25. Okay, then you solve this one. First, when you want to write in simpler form, first you write the variable. Okay, the variable with the power. Okay, so this one first you write 9x square, and then simplify this one. 6x plus 15x plus 15x. So you get 36x. And then number only 5 plus 25, you get 30. Okay, then bracket, write the unit. Okay, then finish. Okay, that one the answer for question 6, page 16. Okay girls, now we go to the factorize. Okay, factorization, page 19. Okay, workbook, page 19. Okay, factorization meaning here. Okay, please highlight the notes here in your workbook. Factorization is the process of identifying the term and algebraic expression factor. Okay, factorization is an inverse process of expansion. Okay, lesson, you learn about expand like this. A multiply A plus B. When you expand, become A times A, you get A square. A times B, you get AB, right? Now, if factorization, the reverse process, I mean inverse process, this one expand. If you change this answer to the bracket like this, open bracket, so this one we call factorization. Okay, then remember back, 1 is a factor for all algebraic terms. This one same like the previous lesson that you learned in Form 1. Factors, like for example, if I want to find the factors of 15, right? Okay, 15, let's say 15. So to find the factors of 15, start with 1. 1 times 15, 3 times 5, like that. Okay, this one involve algebraic. Okay, for example like this, 9y and 3xy. Okay, so first step, you know that 1 is a factor for all algebraic terms. So start with 1. Start with 1 here. Okay, 1. And then this one use the prime number. You know that 9 equal to, use a 2 prime number. 3 times 3, right? So you write 1 times 3 times 3 times, then you write the variable y. If here just 1 times 3 times x times y, write separately. And then if you want to find this one factors, okay, if you want to find common factors, okay, this one common means same factors, 1, 3 and y. Okay, so common factors 1, 3, y. And then the highest common factor means the bigger value multiplied by the variable, so 3y. Okay, so now we go to question A. Okay, question A, 6p square and 12pq square. Okay, so factors, we want to list off the factors of 6p square and factors of 12pq square. Okay, you know that 1 is the factors of for all algebraic, right? So start with 1 first. 1 time, okay, then 6. Okay, if you want to find the product of two number, which is the prime numbers, that's means 2 times 3. So 1 times 2 times 3 times p, you have power of 2, right? So you write p times p. Okay, this one 12, the product of two numbers, 4 times 3 you get 12. And then you have to find two more number. When you time, you get 4, which is prime number. That means 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 times 3 times p. Okay, q power of 2, that means times q times q. Okay, then find the common factors. Common means same. Okay, same factors here. 1, 2, and then 3 same here, common. And then you have p here. P also common factors. So common factors equal to, okay, common factors, okay, start with 1. 1, 2, 3, p. Okay, and then pair of number. Okay, the number first. 1 times 2 times 3, you get 6. And then 2 times p, 2p. Okay, and then 3p. And this one 2 times 3, 6. 6 times p, 6p. This one also 2 times 3 times p, you get 6p. Okay, so this one, the list of the common factors. Okay, the list of the common factors. Then after that, from the list of the common factors, the highest common factors must be the number and the variable. The bigger number and the variable. So here, the highest common factor equal to 6p. Okay, like that. Okay, so next question B, same method like that. Okay, first you write 15 PQR and then 5Q square R, then 10 PQ square R. Okay, start with 1 first. 1 times what? Okay, you know that 15 the prime number. Okay, what number you multiply get 15? That's mean 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 times P times Q times R. Okay, start with 1. 1 times 5 times Q times R. And then this one, 1 time, okay, 5 equal, 10. 2 times 5, like 1 times 2 times 5 times P times Q square means Q times R. Okay, then find the same common factors. Okay, the common factors for this 1 here, and then we have 5. Okay, P not same because here no P. Common means same factors. Okay, if here 3 values, so must 3 equal factors. Okay, so 1, 5, Q, here no P, so Q. Okay, Q here, 1, 2, 3, and then one more R. Okay, so 1, 5, Q, R. Okay, 1, 5, Q, R. So you write common factors. Common factors equal to 1, 5, QR, 1, 5, QR, and then pair of the number and the variable. So 5Q and then 5R and then 5QR. Okay. Okay, and then the highest common factors. Okay, highest common factors means the number and the variable. So the highest common factors must be 5QR. Okay, so equal to 5QR. Okay, now question C. Okay, 4b square. Okay, you write same like the previous example. Write the value 4b square C equal to then write 1, 1 and 1. Okay, because 1 is the factors for all numbers and all algebraic terms. Okay, start with 1 times what? Prime number 4, 2 times 2, right? So 1 times 2 times 2. Okay, b power of 2, that's mean times b times b times c. Okay, then 8, 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so start with 1, then 2 times 2 times 2. And then b power of 2 means b times c. Okay. And then 10 means 2 times 5. 1 times 2 times 5 times A times, okay, B square means B times C. Okay, like this. Okay, then find the common. Okay, common means same. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. And then we have B, we have 3. B, C. Okay, 1, 2, B, B, C. Okay, now you write the common factors 1, 2, B. Okay, because B repeat 2 times, you just write B only, B, and then C, and then the power B times B, B square, B times C, you get BC, and then B square times C, you get B square C, and then 2 times B, 2B, okay, and then 2 times C, 2C, and then 2 times B square, 2B square. Alright, all the possible value. Then 2 times B times C, 2BC, and then 2 times B times B times C, 2B square C. Okay, then highest common factor, HCF. Okay, the value, okay, the number and the power of the variable. Okay, so the greater value here, because this one have power of 2b, power of 2, and then have number and another variable, so this one the HCF, so 2b square c. Okay, just now I explained about the factorization. The meaning of factorization, the inverse process from the expansion, right? Okay, so factorization, okay, we have 4 methods to solve. Okay, you must understand all the methods. We have 4 methods. Okay, you must understand all this because different question, okay, maybe we'll use the different method or the combination of 2 methods. So you must understand all the methods. Okay, first method we call highest common factors method using HCF method. Okay, you can refer textbook page 28. This one using highest HCF method, page 28. Okay, second method we have using different of 2 squares. Okay, using different of square, difference of squares. And then third method we have, okay, you can refer textbook, cross multiplication. Okay, and then for first method, second method, third method, and last one we have common factors involving 4 algebraic terms. Okay, common factors involving 4 algebraic terms. Okay, if you understand 4 methods, you can solve all the question related to the factorization and simplify the algebraic expression. Okay, you just understand this 4 methods. Okay, now I will go to the highest common factor method. Okay, highest common factor method. Okay, you can recall back your prior knowledge in Form 1. You learn repeated division, right? Okay, remember this one? You learn repeated division in chapter 2. Okay, repeated division or algorithm. Okay, I refer your textbook, okay, page 28, page 28. Okay, so now I start with the repeated division. For example, the question want you factorize 3x plus 15. Okay, 3x plus 15. Okay, now to factorize this one, we use repeated division. Okay, to find the highest common factors, HCF. So write like this: 3x, this one plus, you ignore, you just write comma, 15, and then you divide. Okay, start with the number. Okay, 3. 3x divide 3, you will get x only. 15 divide 3, you get 5. Okay, if highest common factor, you have to stop. If you cannot find the common factors, stop. And then the answer, you copy here, 3, open bracket. This one x. Here positive value, so you write plus, because positive, and then 5. Okay, then finish. This one, factorize this. So the answer here, 3, open bracket, x plus 5, using the highest common factor method. Okay, now we will go to workbook question. Okay, so the first method, okay, find the HCF by using repeated division method. Okay, but, okay, if you already understand, if you can, okay, if you understand this one, okay, you can write the factorization, okay, without write this one, also can. Just you find the common factors of this value, 4 and 20, means you write 4 outside, okay, and then what number you multiply to get 20, so you write 5 here and x here, 4, and then you try to expand 4 times x, 4x, 4 times 5, 20, means after you get the factorization, okay, after you factorize this, you want to check your answer correct or not, okay, you expand this. Okay, you expand, you can check correct or not. 4 times x, you must get this value, 4x, then 4 times 5, you get 20. So this answer correct for factorization. Okay, but if you like to write the repeated division, okay, you can. So now we go to the first method, using highest common factor. So first you write the 6w and 54. Okay, write without the plus, okay, just comma, and then divide. Okay, here 6. Okay, 6w divide 6, you get w only. Okay, and then 54 divided by 6, you get 9. Okay, then you can write the answer, 6, open bracket, w, okay, because here positive value, so here plus 9. Okay, finish. You want to check your answer correct or not, you try to expand. 6 times w, okay, you expand this one, you get 6w. 6 times 9, you get 54. Okay, correct. Okay, then like question B, 3pq minus 9q square. Okay, you write like this. Okay, first 3pq, comma, negative 9q square. Okay, start with the number 3. 3 divide 3, you get 1, so you just write pq only. Negative 9 divide 3, you get negative, divide positive, negative. 9 divide 3, you get 3q square. Okay, and then divide again. Okay, because here pq, here no p, so you must choose q only. Okay, so pq divide q, you get p. Negative 3q square divide q, you get negative 3q only. Okay. Okay, then you get like this. Okay, so this one must multiply. Okay, this one you times 3 times q, you get 3q. Okay, open bracket, copy this one, p, this one negative 3q, so you copy back, negative 3q. Okay, so you want to check your answer correct or not, you try to expand. 3q times p, you get 3pq. 3q times negative 3q, positive times negative, negative. 3 times 3, 9. Q times q, q square. Okay, correct. So this answer correct. Okay, question C. Okay, C. Okay, 6p square, comma, 15p. Okay, what number that you can divide by? You can divide 6 and 15. You can divide by 3, right? 3. The common factor for 6 and 15, 3. So put 3 here. 6 divide 3, 2p square. 15 divide 3, you get 5p. Okay, find the common factors that can divide both. So you can divide by p here. Okay, 2p square divide by p, you will get, okay, 2p only. Okay, 5p divide p, you get 5 only. Okay, then write the answer. Okay, the answer here. Okay, this one time this. 3 times p, you get 3p. Open bracket. Here 2p. Because here 5, positive 5, so plus 5. You want to check your answer correct or not? Try to expand. 3p times 2p, 3 times 2, 6, p times p, p square. And then expand this one, 3 times 5, 3p times 5, you get 15p. Okay, correct. Okay, after, if you expand, you get this. Okay, that means your answer correct. Okay. Okay, now involve 3 value or 3 terms. Okay, so same the method, just okay, same like 2 terms. Okay, so you copy the term ab and then b square bd, and then find the common factors for this, okay, term. Okay, this one no a, so you cannot choose a, you can write b here. Okay, ab divide b, you just get a here. B square divide b, b only. BD divide b, become d only. Okay, so the correct answer here, write b and then open bracket a, because all positive values, so you just write plus. A plus b plus d. Okay, then finish. Okay, you want to check back, you could try to times, expand this. B times a, ab. B times b, b square. B times d, bd.